Hey, I'm Ethan. So right now I have the brand new Camaro kit in front of us and we're gonna be assembling it. 1 second. I need my Tim Hortons. This is brought to you by Tim Hortons Iced Coffee. Gets me through my day.
Josiah over at FDF got himself a Camaro. It's a V6, so not nearly as cool. Josiah definitely LS swapped that thing. But he designed this kit and he sent it to me for testing to get feedback because I'm kind of one of the only ones crazy enough to get these big cars sideways. So if you're considering doing this to your car, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to install this kit. And I'm gonna give you guys my honest feedback on how the steering feels, how it feels in drift, how it feels daily driving. So I like the looks of it. I hope I like the feel of it just as much. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the Heim. Only thing I don't have is the toe plates because those were with the tie rod sleeves that Ethan sent out. So I'm gonna do my best to kind of eyeball it. I might try to find something that's flat and just measure and get as close to an 1/8 out of toe as possible. Camber and caster is just gonna be whatever the heck it's set to right now. So this will give us an idea now of how much angle we'll likely have. So that's pretty much full lock right there. Let's go the other direction. Pretty much full lock right there. So yeah, pretty good amount of angle, honestly. Pretty similar to like their mild Mantis kit with the Corvettes, how it works with the factory knuckle and it kind of goes over it.
So we got the new Camaro lower control arm here. It's kind of like the E90 arms and E80 arms. One piece, smooth double adjuster at this end. And you just have your generic Heim joint with the locking bung. And then just your spheric bearing goes down into here. And you just gotta get it right in there. Locked and loaded. Then Heim joint, lock and bung. With the locking bung, you actually don't need a jab nut. You just have to tighten down this M8 bolt right here and you're good to go. Thread that in there. And you just got your smooth double adjuster. On car, makes everything so much easier. So realistically, you can have this bolted into the car and you just spin that out. Gives you more adjustment out there. Or if you want less, tighten it right up. And that's that for the lower. You also have a nice sway bar mount right here. Need more tips.
All right, there is the angle kit. She is done. Came out pretty cool. Pretty good amount of angle for basically a modified knuckle. This is actually really good. And Josiah, like I said, over at FDF, he got himself a V6 Camaro and he designed this kit. So I'm doing some testing for Josiah now. And I'm very excited to try this out and give you all my honest feedback on what I think of this kit.
So right here, we also have the new knuckle adapter for the Camaro. You'll also see it being installed. You have to cut the knuckle and everything to install it. So the knuckle has Ackerman adjustability, like most of our other knuckles. These ones are the 0 Ackerman. So when we actually ship out all our kits, they have 0 Ackerman plates installed already. And then in the box, there'll be a baggie of +2, -2. So you can change out to what you prefer because everyone has a different preference of what they like to drive with. Pretty much done after this one. And then there is a bump stop on the kit. It gets threaded in right in here. Spicy.
Oh, it's a sandwich.
That's what I said.
Oh, I thought it was a chip.
What the?
No,
What?
I'm looking on the screen. I can't see you, man. I can barely see you.
It's a sandwich.
I was wondering why he was reaching in for a little bit of it.
Like, oh, he's going for it.
All right, so I got like 3 or 4 runs in with the FDF angle kit. I'm really impressed. It definitely took a little bit of adjusting, a lot more than I thought I would need. But overall, I love it. I think this is gonna be a great entry-level kit.
Yeah, so pretty much, new kit. I've answered about 25 emails of people asking when this was coming. Well, guess what? It's out now, so go order it up. Zach Galvin did a great job on the install and testing and what he liked about it. We'll have the link in the description to go check out that video on his YouTube.